Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be reviewing the Gemini Jets Flair 737 MAX 8 and 1/400 scale. Here's what the box looks like. And that concludes my review on the Flair 737 MAX 8 and 1/400 scale by Gemini Jets. In my personal opinion, I'd give this model an 8.9 out of 10. I think Gemini Jets did a really good job on this model, and I would definitely buy another one. If you're interested in buying this model, I would definitely buy this model as fast as you can, as I do think this model would be selling out pretty fast. So definitely buy it when you have the chance to. As well, check out my other pages, such as my Instagram and my TikTok accounts. I post aviation related content on there, and I post more frequent on there, so definitely check them out. And subscribe and like this video, and I hope you guys see you in the next one. Bye.